Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VXRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty non-eventful day, and I don't say that in a bearish sense or anything. I just mean that, compared to, how monstrous the price has been behaving, not a whole lot happened today. So again, don't say that in a bad way, just not a whole lot in terms of an intraday type movement. But when you look at more than just one day and look at multiple days, everything is still perfectly fine. And really the most straightforward way to see that everything is perfectly fine is that the price not only was able to stay above that green line, but the price didn't even come close to testing it. That green line being down there right around $7.20. And that level is important just because if the price were to test it, let me actually squeeze down the chart here. And I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to test it and then work its way back upwards, even at that point, you'd still have just a beautiful stair-step formation. If you picture each one of these lows as stair-steps, then over the big picture point of view, you'd still have very nice, like I said, stair-steps making progress in the upwards direction. So from that angle of things, yeah, it wasn't an exciting day, but it's not like it was a terrible day either, as the price is still well up above the $7.20 mark. I will say though that a level that has now made itself pretty apparent in terms of areas of resistance. So there's going to be a bunch of breakout players watching this area. But right here at $8.35 has really kind of solidified itself as one of those stubborn levels. You can see going back to Thursday, didn't let the price back above it. And then this morning, you can see several times price got right up around $8.35. And then it was like every single time the price got up there, someone just flipped the switch and the momentum disappeared. So I'm not saying $8.35 can't be broken. I'm just saying it's become quite clear right now that if there is going to be any sort of break to get back up above that $9 mark, that first key level that'll need to be broken is down at $8.35. But all in all, yeah, a relatively boring day today, but overall still a healthy chart. So we'll see what next week has to offer. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.